Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Masters of Albion game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the application. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, simply click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, now here to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from here. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it, as this can lead to several kinds of issues while playing the game. So it's better to disable or stop overclocking of CPU and GPU in the background, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, then click on check for updates. So this will check if there is any update available for the Windows, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch it and check. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to search for graphics settings. After you open it, click on add a desktop app to add your game to the list. After that, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and then check. Next solution is to close background apps. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on end task. Once it is done, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this, and after that restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. If not, next virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to Search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288 and the maximum size type 24576, and click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. Further, go to Steam on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and finally reinstall Masters of Albion game, and then try to play it and check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Masters of Albion game crashing at startup, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.